Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll explore cloud security threats and mitigation strategies. Whether you're stepping into the world of cloud security or brushing up your knowledge, this lesson will help you understand common threats and how to defend against them effectively. We'll break this down into key areas of cloud security threats, such as common cloud security threats, incident response and remediation, and security monitoring and threat detection in the cloud. Let's dive right in. The objectives of this lesson are to enable you to 1. Identify and understand common cloud security threats like DDoS, insider threats, and malware. 2. Explore methods and tools for continuous security monitoring and threat detection. 3. Understand the key steps in responding to and recovering from cloud-based security incident. 4. Apply effective mitigation strategies to reduce risk and strengthen cloud security posture. To start with, let's know that cloud security threats are potential risks or vulnerabilities that can compromise the confidentiality, integrity, or availability of data, applications, hosted in a cloud computing environment. Next, let's break down some of the most common threats. The first one is DDoS, distributed denial of service. These involve flooding a cloud service with traffic, making it slow or unavailable. They target public-facing apps, APIs, or network layers. The second we need to know is insider threats. These occur when employees or contractors misuse their access, either intentionally or accidentally. They are hard to detect because they operate within trusted systems. While the third is malware. These threats compromise cloud systems through infected files, phishing emails, or malicious scripts. Malware can encrypt data, steal credentials, or open backdoors. In addition to that, security monitoring and threat detection, identifying threats early is key to preventing major damage. That's where security monitoring and detection tools come in. Let's highlight the key monitoring practices. 1. Log management. Collect and analyze logs from applications, services, and infrastructure. 2. Real-time alerts. Set up alerts for abnormal activities like brute force attacks or unauthorized access. 3. AWS Guard Duty. This is for intelligent threat detection. 4. Azure Security Center. This monitors security posture and provides recommendations. 5. Google Cloud Security Command Center. This detects vulnerabilities and misconfigurations. Having talked about the key monitoring practices, the best practices to cloud security we need to know are 1. Enable centralized logging for all cloud services. 2. Use SIEM tools, security information and event management, like Splunk, Elasticstack, or IBM QRadar. 3. Automate response actions for critical threats. As we proceed, there is something we need to be aware of. It is called incident response and remediation in cloud. Despite your best efforts, incident can still happen. That's why having a cloud incident response plan, CIRP, is essential. In addition, the key steps in incident response and remediation in cloud are 1. Detection and analysis. Quickly identify and understand the nature of the incident. 2. Containment. Isolate affected resources to prevent further spread. 3. Eradication. Remove the root cause, such as malicious code or misconfigured permissions. 4. Recovery. Restore normal operations and validate systems. 5. Post-incident review. Document lessons learned and improve defenses. Having know the key steps, it is also important to know the tools to support response, snapshot and backup tools. This is for capturing system state. Version control and configuration history. This is to roll back changes. Automation playbooks. These are for consistency and fast response. Let's add this as an icing. In AWS, you can automate remediation using AWS Lambda triggered by CloudWatch alerts. To automate remediation. Lastly, we can't end this lesson without talking about some best practices to mitigate threats in the cloud. Here's a few smart mitigation strategies you should know. 1. Apply the principle of least privilege, POLP, give users the minimum access necessary. 2. Enable multi-factor authentication, MFA, especially for admin and root accounts. 3. Use security groups and firewalls wisely, restrict access by IP, port, and protocol. 4. Encrypt data at rest and in transit, prevent exposure even if a breach occurs. 5. Regularly audit and test, perform security assessments, penetration testing, and compliance checks. 6. Educate your team. Security awareness training helps prevent phishing and social engineering. To recap what we covered in this lesson. 1. Common cloud threats like DDoS, insider attacks, and malware. 2. Monitoring and threat detection practices using cloud-native tools. 3. Key steps for incident response and remediation in cloud environments. 4. Mitigation strategies and best practices to enhance your cloud security posture. Please click the link in the description to access this lesson on Motiva Logic Academy Learning Management System, where you'll find a quiz for every lesson, hands-on lab and projects to test and strengthen your understanding. While you're there, explore the full catalog of advanced hands-on courses and downloadable resources designed to help you move from theory to real-world expertise faster. Be sure to like, subscribe, share and visit the link in the description. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss the future lessons. Thank you for watching.